Today I'm going to tell you which place is the best at the North Costa Blanca to buy a villa. It should be situated near the sea, it should be nice infrastructure, and it would be nice to have a natural park nearby. And I found this secret place for you with this special villa, and let's follow and I will show you this. I found this secret villa for you, and it is situated in Polop near the city of sports, and it has disappearing windows. The location, balcony of Polop, is one of the most wanted development places on Costa Blanca because it is situated in only 20 minutes from the sea, and it is situated in 5 minutes from a city of sports and surrounded by a great infrastructure. Living near the city of sports, it's when you have nearby nearly 10 minutes drive the Olympic Stadium, the multi-purpose stadium, the covered Olympic pool, and everything to keep yourself fit. The gated urbanization consists of 45 villas, and it has a gated community, and the plots are here up to 600 square meters. Entering from the entrance of gated community to the house, we have the main entrance of the house where the living room meets us. Let's see. Entering this spacious living room, we meet very nice distributed floor where is the kitchen, the living room with TV zone, with food area, and also there is a bedroom and a shower. But the magic in this house is that this spacious living room can have triple more place. Because when we slide this window into the wall, it has double place with terrace and triple place with the pool. So we have living room that has 3 times more space. And now let's check every floor and every room separately. And let's start from the kitchen. It has equipped everything with Bosch. The extractor with Wi-Fi, the window when you cook you see the mountains and the sea, the refrigerator, the oven, the micro oven and the dishwasher, everything is installed. Let's go and check the bedroom of the first floor. Entering the first floor suite bedroom, we meet here such an interesting island that separates a bed from this entrance place and many wardrobes. They all are equipped, and quite spacious bathroom also. So let's see the underground and the second floor, because there are 3 levels here. On the second floor there are distributed 2 spacious bedrooms. Also here you see the division with this island, the place where bed is. And this bedroom is a master bedroom. It has a terrace and it has such a big wardrobe with a natural light here and a very spacious shower. And there is another bedroom. Let's see. Another bedroom on the second floor also has a small terrace, its own shower, and it is very spacious also and has a very big window. And now let's check the underground floor. The underground floor is distributed by garage for one car and several bicycles, laundry with all equipment, and here you see the place where you can maintain either 2 more bedrooms or a gym, cinema, anything. In underground, this area of gym or 2 bedrooms is not included with finishing like this, but you can order and you will get it key ready. Let's summarize on this secret villa. It has more than 300 square meters built, and with the plots possible from 350 till 600 square meters, and in the urbanization there are 45 villas. It means that you can join with your friends and have a small community in the same urbanization here. And the prices start from 820,000 euro, and year of finishing is 2026, 2027 in different stages. While you are pushing like to this video, I invite you to subscribe to our channel, to follow our videos about the areas and the properties like this.